Blessed Sunday to one and all. Mayong buntag ka na total. We're so happy that you're here in one of the hotels of Cagayan de Oro City. Salamat sa Ginoo because God has been given to me immense blessings. Okay, so first, I acknowledge God sa iya padhatan ako traveling mercies. No? Just imagine guys, nag-travel ta for 24 hours but nothing happened. We are all intact. So salamat sa Ginoo na. We just need to acknowledge the goodness of God in every day of our lives. Always kita mag-think that God is really there. God is always around. Yan ang buhaton is, ato na buhaton guys is really to stay closer to where He is. No? Kabaran na asa again siya. No? It's really by meditation. It's really by, contemplating in everything that the world is going on, no? Like there are crises, but career crisis, we know full well that this crisis will just only pass on. It will pass by, and we will know more about God by again engaging ourselves in indulging and reading His Holy Scriptures. And it's just only in that manner where we will be able to understand the message of the God that He has unleashed in that very day. God bless you everyone, and please always know that God always is there for you and He loves you.